Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again this week. When? Tuesday, the 23rd of April 2024. Where? Tandle Hill Road, Oozewood, Thornham, next to Tandle Hill Park, working on footpath FP99 ROYTON. What? Rucked the route, strimmed, cut back and cleared the footpath. Worked on the first of the 3 decking sections on this footpath, shoveling grass and soil off the top of the deck. Cleared the surrounding soil and dug water channels to allow water running off the hillside to escape away from the decking and footpath. Such a big job to bring this footpath back into use. We will be returning for several more weeks to clear the other 2 decks, measure all the timbers required to repair the decks, install new signpost blade on the signpost at Tandle Hill Road end, improve the stile at the farm, locate the best places for waymarker posts on the footpath, fix waymarking discs on the posts of existing gap stiles and the farm stile. Who? 5 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Keith and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.